Printing via home or standard business printers is often expensive, lacks quality, and is slow when it comes to large volumes of printed materials, that is, business cards, leaflets, posters, etc. This is why commercial printers exist, allowing individuals and businesses to order high quality, efficient, and low cost printing at quantity. And you know one thing, to start a printing business, you are going to need to have a space for printing and know how to operate a commercial printer. If you are delivering printing directly to clients, you can run this business from home. However, if you want a place where you can meet clients, you are going to need a shop or office with a receptionist. To market this business, it's best to target local small businesses as they tend to have ongoing commercial printing needs throughout the year. If you want to expand and target the larger UK market, you are going to need a decent e commerce platform, order management system, and payment gateways setup. A printing business, apart from the initial outlay, is very cheap to run. Cost coming down to the longevity of the machines and ink you use and other printing material costs.